Everywhere you look, a company is offering free windows or some variation of buy one, get one free. These offers are everywhere: social media, email promotions, loaded into your mailbox, and all over billboards. While free windows may be enticing, it's essential to approach these offers with caution. By staying informed and asking the right questions, you can protect yourself from scams and ensure you're making the best decision for your home improvement needs. The phrase free windows is designed to grab your attention. Who doesn't want something for free? Many companies advertising free windows can often include hidden fees in the fine print. Some companies offer free windows based on purchasing a specific number of windows, while other companies inflate installation costs to offset the cost of free windows. If the companies aren't inflating the prices to compensate for giving out free windows, they may provide products that are subpar in terms of durability and energy efficiency. Poorly made windows can lead to higher energy bills, drafty rooms, and frequent repairs that ultimately cost you more money in the long run. When it comes to home improvement, windows are a significant investment. While everyone wants to save money, especially on larger home improvement projects, it is important to approach these deals with caution. Here are a few tips on what to look for. Vague terms and conditions. If the offer doesn't clearly outline what's free and what isn't, proceed with caution. Aggressive salespeople. Legitimate companies respect your decision-making process. If a salesperson uses guilt or urgency to force a purchase, that is a major red flag. Unrealistic promotions. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. No written agreements. Offers without a detailed written contract are likely designed to trap you into unforeseen costs later. Not all deals are scams, but it's essential to approach them with a critical eye. Here are a few tips you can use to filter through offers and hire a proven home improvement contractor to increase your chances of a successful project. Go local. There are many reasons to buy local beyond supporting a local business. A local contractor has significant personal investment in a satisfactory local business. Looking for experience and strong reputation. Look for a company that has been in business for many years and has a proven track record. Find out the company's history, any awards or affiliations they may have, and check their ratings on the BBB and Google. Look up the company online and see what other homeowners have to say. Ask questions and trust your instincts. Most reputable companies will be happy to answer all of your questions. If something feels off, it probably is. Trustworthy contractors are transparent, without gimmicks or misleading claims. Focus on finding a reputable company that values transparency, quality, and satisfaction. That way, you'll enjoy beautiful windows and all their benefits and peace of mind, knowing your investment is in good hands. If you would like to learn more about this and similar home improvement topics, subscribe and like our content. If you would like to explore some of our window options or more information, click the link below.